I'm coming.
Some of them did do that, but not this one. So
Huh.
I don't know why.
Landing flap. Normal.
I'm positive. I got 4,000.
Fail landing when we're all the rest of us are landing.
I'll stay out of your guys' way. I'll let you guys.
But you're already in our way, so I mean.
Okay, I'll go.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm hurt.
All right, take off, Mikey. Go.
Gotta do something about that fan, though.
I can stay up there and just glide.
Taking off.
No, not yet. But go ahead. I'll come up after you.
Timer cleared.
Let the gyro do his thing. Look at that.
Yeah, just nice gentle takeoff.
Gear up. Flaps up.
It's in the worst place possible, isn't it?
I challenged Nate to a race with his. I'm gonna be way, way up there, you guys. Gliding.
F-18s out of
So you guys doing a down?
Livermore. Yeah,
No more legacies there, though.
that's true.
All the legacies are gone. There's just a couple Marine units left. That's it. And the Top
Even
Gun.
the Angels are going over to the Super.
Yeah, this is
Time
it.
remaining 2 minutes.
Doing split up.
Okay. Already? Alright, I'll escort you in, but I'm not coming in yet.
Are you gonna escort him in, Ray?
Yeah, right now.
Time remaining.
I'm right by him.
1 minute.
Oh, shit. I basically got another 2 minutes, so you're good.
Ray, do you wanna form up?
What? Mike, what?
You wanna form up? Formation?
Not really, like I want to go.
Alright.
Well, if you let me follow you, sure, but
I'm just gonna.
That's done.
30 seconds.
6,000.
That's a 6,000, Ray?
yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, you got shoot. I didn't
But
know
I've
that.
been below half most flights, so.
Darn, if I'd known that. I'm coming up. No, I'm just kidding.
10,
Okay, we'll do that again one more time.
8,
Mikey, if you want people to fly formation, you got to be predictable.
4,
That's what happened.
1. Time expired.
You didn't hear what happened? Alright, I'll form up with you.
Well, you didn't. Okay, so I'm going to do a gear pass. If you can stick with me, stick with me.
Gear down.
Gear pass, and then I'm landing.
Landing flap.
Okay, Mike, break off. You hear me?
Right now.
There you go. Gee, never mind, I'm going around. If you got to come in, Mike, come in. No, I'm already here.
1 minute over.
Ray's landing.
I know. I'm gonna go around again, 'cause I got plenty of batteries.
There we go. Almost. Could have been.
Do the yellow
I
one.
did.
The yellow one thing.
Didn't help.
Oh.
Mike, hurry up and links. I gotta fly.
Mike, come in. I'm clear.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I did it. It didn't work.
Don't have enough airflow over it.
Yeah, go to the other side. Go to the other side.
Wait, Keon, wait for me. Can I come and do a little havoc thing?
Oh my God, I've been
Please?
waiting so long.
No.
Hold on a second. You better run. You better run.
Okay, we'll do that again.
I think the opposite. The opposing, like the knife edge thing you were talking about. I think that'll work. Because I tried doing it those directions didn't do it. But we'll keep trying.
One of those flying earwig things landed on my rig.
Isn't it weird?
It landed on my rig.
Yeah, they're weird. I've never seen a flying earwig
Why?
before.